I know that people like to slag off stuff from China, but end of the day, that's where pretty much everything's made. And a lot of the time, pretty much all the time, when people are slagging off Chinese products, they're either doing it through not so much ignorance, but lack of knowledge, or they're just doing it to promote American stuff. And because that's how you get monetized, and that's how you make money on social media. Is that you promote America and Israel and all that kind of anti-white shit and paedophile stuff. Anyway, I believe proof is in the pudding, and I am inside my hammock. The first hammock I got was, yes, I'm not quite in bed yet. I'm too warm, basically. Some of that is because I'm a bit ill. There's also, it's very cozy in here. But yeah, the hammock was less than 30 quid. The first one died because it was my own fault, because I put it too close to a wall and it got shredded 3 in the fucking morning. But I've been using this one now, not the past 2 weeks, but the past two or 3 months now. So I've used it at least a dozen times. And we're not talking happy sunny weather, we're talking pretty harsh conditions. And it's still going strong. There's no issues with it whatsoever. You got to make sure you get the hang right, so it's not too far apart or too close together. But yeah, I mean, the issue with it hanging down like the netting, that's not the hammock's fault. I could fix that with a little thing I bought from AliExpress, these magnetic hook things, like little carapinas, little baby things. But because they've got magnets, I could hook one on the power cord and then put the other one inside here and go blink to hold it up. I'm not that bothered, really. It's more psychological than anything else, having that thing. Yeah, and the creepy crawlies on you. But yeah, I mean, it's good as gold. It's still as good now as it was when I bought it. Everything you're looking at here is pretty much all AliExpress. The hammock, the trousers, not the green sleeping bag, but the blue sleeping bag that's inside the green one, the tarp, it's all AliExpress, all from China. And for what it cost me to do this complete setup, even oven ready, which I haven't got out yet, a little later, to get to the whole setup, less than 100 quid. You're talking like 70, 80 quid just for a hammock. For like the American stuff, like was it DD or whatever it's called. They're all made in China. Oh, fucking you can't. I took the strap off. Wow, you can really see the metalwork digging into my fucking leg there. Yeah, that's the metalwork. Yeah, that's got a lot worse over the past month. So, yeah, that's really fucking horrendous. Oh, fuck. But yeah, it's like off China all you want, but I'd rather live in China than here. China, they don't have digital ID in China. That's just what Jewish media tells you. They don't have this oppressive regime whereby you're constantly being dictated to, you're constantly being told how to live every single second of every single day. That's just what the Jewish propaganda tells you. They just let you get on with it. They're not bothered about taxes. Unless you're a big business, they don't give a shit about tax. In China, those sort of places, they only care about tax if you're making a fuck ton of money. If you're just some guy growing food, they don't tax you. So, yeah. A bit on the dark side out there. Just a bit. La la la. I even had tuned into the BBC radio earlier. Yeah. What's in the news? What's the most important thing in the news? Somebody got locked up for driving. That was it. That was the entire news headlines on the BBC. Now, I know they're not owned by Jews, but they are run by them. Now and again, something will sneak through, but it's rare. Yeah, ignore Johnson & Johnson baby products murdering fucking billions of babies over the past 100 years. Ignore Jewish-made drugs like hepatitis and AIDS and that kind of stuff. We just talk about a driving offence. Yeah. So, it's just not as bad as all the other fucking Jewish-owned media like GB Jews. Whenever you tune into these channels, all they're doing is slagging off Muslims, slagging off brown people, slagging off black people, just to incite racial hatred, to get every fucker to go and kill their enemies, to kill each other. Fucking gum.